Today I'm talking about a strategy I'm using to grow my wedding business. I have a wedding business in Montreal. We do wedding films and sometimes a bit of photography, but mainly we do films, and that's what we're pushing. So I pretty much broke down my strategy or idea into 3 steps. It is build a network, build relationships, and get traffic from that. Pretty much what I'm going to do is create content for other wedding vendors in my city, and then I'm going to give them that content for free or allow them to share it. It's pretty much a free advertisement for them. It's like a commercial. So with that, they can post it on their social media, they can put it on their website, they can put it other places, Instagram, things like that. And they pretty much have a profile piece of their business that I created for them for free. So while the vendor and I create content together, we're actually building a relationship. We're getting to know each other. They're getting to know me and see how I work and see if I'm trustful, see if I'm the real deal and things like that. And once they do see that, they'll be like, oh, this guy's actually all right, or this company is all right. We might actually refer clients to them, and we can also refer people to them. And once we have a nice tight collection of vendors, we can just refer work off each other. And it won't matter too much about traffic and building SEO and things like that. It's such a powerful idea because I'm a filmmaker. I already own all my gear. Yes, my time is valuable, but it doesn't actually cost me anything to create this content, except for obviously my time and use of gear, which does cost things in the end. But I'm willing to donate this to hopefully then get traffic back and future weddings, or just build a good relationship. A really good example of this is a ring seller in my city actually sent me an email just to kind of chat about anything. They just wanted to touch base. They didn't know I was doing this video series yet. And they were kind of saying, if you're doing a shoot or something like that, we can lend you jewelry. So they actually reached out just to make a collaboration of some kind. And it was funny because I was just looking for vendors to do an episode on, and I told them I want to do this series, and they were like over the moon. They were super happy they're going to get a video created. I'm going to come in and meet them, and they were really pumped about it. So that one came to me, and that would be episode 2. Episode 1, I'm shooting tonight with a photographer called Steve Gerard. He's huge in Montreal. He's from England originally. He shoots weddings still back in England, so he flies between a lot, but he lives here in Montreal. So that would be episode 1. He's a super interesting guy. He's huge in the concert photography world. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. You're going to see the video straight after this. I don't know if you like my setup. I got the microphone in the shot this time. Audio is going to sound much better. Let me know if you like it. It kind of looks weird. It's just hovering there in front of my face all the time. It's kind of nice to speak to, though. I got something to kind of interact with. Anyway, but I'm going to run the video straight after this. Let me know what you think. Episode 2 is on its way, shooting it next week. Also, one more thing, the URL in my channel is from a long time ago when I used to do gaming videos. I need to change that, and to do that I need 100 subscribers. So just help me out and subscribe. You can unsubscribe, whatever. I need to change that URL real bad. It's called Dead Eye Tris at the moment. I just want to change it to Tristan Evans or Tristan J Evans. So do me a favor and just subscribe for a bit, please. Okay, cool. See you guys.